Hey everyone, thanks for your interest in our app. We've been getting a ton of support and we've been able to use that information to reach others that truly need it. In order to keep that momentum going, we want to make sure that your community is able to access this information. And I wanted to show you how to show grocery stock in your community and how to find it. Let's jump into this. So once you're at the grocery store, you're going to pull out your phone and you're going to click on your Spontivly app. You're gonna wait till all the activities kind of load, and you're gonna click on the bottom plus button, it's orange. Let's add a photo here. Click on all photos. I'm gonna choose this. So this shows a picture of the stock level for something specific. Add. Now the activity name is going to be the grocery store and the location. Put stock. Now for the tag, I'm gonna tag community and I'm gonna tag volunteering. It's very important for this step because we wanna make sure that everything that you see on Spontivly that's catered towards grocery stock is under the heading volunteering. I'm gonna click done. I'm gonna click on location, Safeway, Oliver, confirm. Now the start time is gonna be right now. And I'm gonna put this for 24 hours. You don't have to fill out any of this description. Now for the description itself, I'm gonna write no toilet paper, bread, hand sanitizer, and meat. And now once you're done, you're gonna click on create at the top right. Perfect. And there you go, you've created your activity. Now I'm gonna show you how to search for grocery stock on Spontively. You're gonna pull out your phone, you're gonna click on your Spontively app. You're gonna wait for the activities to load a little bit. And then you're gonna go to the top left, you're gonna click on the search button and type in volunteering, search. Now you're able to see all the grocery stores that are associated in your community. And I'm just gonna click on one right now. And you're able to see, if you scroll down to the details, you're able to see a little bit of the input there and description. I hope that gives you a better understanding of how to search for grocery stock within your community as well as creating a pin. This is very important. Please share this information with your family and friends because the more we create and share pins, the bigger of an impact we have on the lives that need it the most.